Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have Freedom Shields Premium Motorcycle Windshield. I'm going to go step by step on how to install and everything you need to install this windshield on your motorcycle. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, let's go over everything you're going to need to install this windshield on your Harley Davidson. First thing, obviously, we're going to need a windshield. Second, you're going to need a windshield mounting kit, blue Loctite, a 4mm Allen, a 13mm socket, Torx T40, mounting bracket, and finally a blanket or a towel, something soft to lay your windshield on once you remove it from the box. Okay, let's start off by unboxing the windshield. A lot of packing peanuts, I like to see that. Freedom Shields Premium Motorcycle Windshields, thank you. We know there are a lot of companies you could have purchased. We just wanted to say thank you for choosing us. It's pretty awesome. Okay, let's check out this windshield. Ah, here she is. Oh, cool. Real nice. This one's for the Road King, Heritage, Switchback, Fat Boy, Freewheeler. There's also mounting instructions on the windshield. Let's go ahead and set this on the blanket. Next, we'll go ahead and unbox the mounting kit that I got off of eBay. Okay, next is time to install the mounting hardware kit. Go ahead and grab your T40 Torx. And remove the screw. Then with your new kit, you can see this double-sided stud with Loctite. This part with the Loctite goes into the fork. You're gonna grab chrome like acorn, hand tighten that, rubber washer, then grab your size 13 and tighten down. You want to do this on all four. Hey guys, another tip, when installing these double-threaded studs, one end has Loctite, so go ahead and get yourself a bigger ratchet. It's going to make the process a lot easier than if you use a, let's say, a smaller ratchet. Okay, next we're going to mount the hardware onto the windshield. Now the cool thing about Freedom Shields is, if you can see here, they're offering like a test ride. What it's saying is, please feel free to mount the shield and take a short test ride as long as you have good visibility over the shield. Make sure to leave the protective plastic film on the shield. If you are not completely satisfied with the height or performance of the shield, you may return the shield for full credit, less any shipping charges, as long as the shield is like new and the protective plastic film has not been removed. So basically what they're saying is, mount everything up, leave the plastic on, go around the block. If you love it, come back home, take off all the hardware, remove the plastic film, put everything back on, tying it up. Once you do that, it's yours. Okay, to give you an idea how all this gets put together, first you want to grab this metal bar. You want to put it on top and line it up with the holes. Okay, once you have that on, you want to grab this bracket piece. There's going to be a lip to make room for the bar up top, and then the bottom piece should come out, kick outwards. And on this one over here, same thing, kick outwards. Once you have that on, line it up. Okay, you're going to put the screws on, turn it around. You're going to put the other piece of metal in the back, and the actual bracket, okay, is going to go like this. There's going to be 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. You're going to light it up. After you line it up, tying it down, you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and get started. One more tip or piece of advice is, before you actually, tying everything down, kind of mock it up and see, how it goes. One thing to note, that there's going to be 2 screws that are longer than the rest. That is going to go the second one over from the top, because it has to fit this bracket, the one in the rear, and the mounting bracket. So from the second one over from the top, and on this side too, 1, 2, you want to go ahead and use one of the longer screws. And then here's the difference between the 2. All right guys, here she is all installed. Brackets are on. I would definitely get somebody to help you with this. So let's get a closer look. So you're gonna have 2 long screws, one here and one over here. This is where the long screws are gonna go. The rest are the same size. Turning it around, looking at underneath, you see the brackets, and the long screws again would be here and here. What I did was, every one of these nuts, I would put some Loctite and then kind of form like a little pull. Then when you put the screw through, tying it up, and I did that with each one. Okay, so only thing left to do now is go ahead and put it on the bike, and we'll be ready to roll. Hey guys, just a few things about these windshields. They are handmade, so they take approximately 3 weeks to make. They are made out of a high impact acrylic. They are 30% thicker than your typical aftermarket windshields that are out there. Crystal clear clarity, no distortions. This windshield here is 18 inches. I'm 6 feet tall. 18 inches was perfect. To all my fellow veterans out there, they do offer military discounts. Go ahead and get in contact with them so you can go ahead and get that discount. Overall, amazing shield, amazing company. I'm super happy with it. And if you like this video, please leave a like. And you guys take care, and I'll see you guys on the road.